Looking for a way to streamline IT operations with GoTo Resolve for IT help desks? In today's video, we're diving deep into how GoTo Resolve helps IT teams automate support tasks, reduce downtime, and ultimately improve service delivery. Stick around to learn about the ins and outs of the software and find out if it's really the best option for your IT help desk needs. Let's get into the first thing you need to know. GoTo Resolve is designed with simplicity in mind. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for IT support teams to troubleshoot and resolve issues quickly. From remote desktop access to real-time chat support, it allows for seamless communication between the IT team and end users. But while it's simple to use, it might not always provide the depth of customizations and larger IT teams require, especially if you have complex workflows. The next thing to consider is the remote support capabilities. GoTo Resolve lets you take control of a user's desktop to resolve issues directly. This can save significant time compared to traditional troubleshooting methods. However, the software's performance can sometimes be sluggish, especially when dealing with higher resolution displays or multiple monitors. If your team is supporting a wide range of devices, this might become an issue. Next, let's talk about integrations. GoTo Resolve integrates with a number of third-party applications like Slack and Microsoft Teams, making it easier for IT teams to collaborate. But it's not as extensive as some other IT management tools on the market. If your business uses niche software or has very specific needs, you might find the integrations a bit limited. The fourth thing to note is the reporting and analytics. GoTo Resolve provides valuable insights into your IT help desk's performance, such as ticket response times and resolution rates. This can help managers spot bottlenecks and improve overall efficiency. However, the reporting features are pretty basic and don't offer as much granularity as some competing solutions. If you need detailed analytics to monitor long-term trends or specific issues, you might find GoTo Resolve lacking in this area. Now, while GoTo Resolve has some solid features, it's important to recognize where it falls short. There are some alternatives that offer more robust customization, deeper integrations, and advanced reporting features. These alternatives might be a better fit for larger teams or businesses with specific IT help desk needs. Before we wrap up, here's the exciting part. I've partnered with GoTo Resolve to bring you an exclusive extended free trial, so you can try out all the features for yourself. But wait, before you make your decision, I've also included some amazing alternatives to GoTo Resolve that are better suited for specific goals, like automation, reporting, and integrations. These alternatives also come with free trials and exclusive benefits when you use our link. Check out the link in the description for the best free trial options and exclusive perks that are only available to our viewers. Whether you decide to stick with GoTo Resolve or explore something new, you've got all the information to make the right choice for your IT help desk.